Hey guys, this is Pernille. I make the harnesses, which you guys may have seen on the forums. Wanted to make a quick video to test the polarity of my speaker that I pulled from my 2019 RS5 Sportback. So what I did was I went ahead and grabbed one of the harness pieces that I used to make the harnesses, and basically lined it up here. So as you can see, you know, the wires line up perfectly. So yellow to yellow, orange to orange, green to green, and black to black, with from my understanding, the black and green being one pair and yellow and orange being another pair, with black being negative and what is that? That's orange being negative also. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and set the camera down so you guys can see me testing the wires live, and so you guys can see the phase of the speaker. And to my understanding, if it's wired correctly, and in this case, black being negative, green being positive, and then in the other section here, or the other channel, with orange being negative and yellow being positive, the speaker should move out. But if it's wired incorrectly, the speaker should move in. So let me go and set the camera down so you guys can get a good angle, and I will test. So pardon the shaking here. Okay, I think you guys can see this at a pretty good angle. I'm gonna try and keep the battery in the picture as well, just so you guys can see that I'm doing this correctly. Here's the AA battery that I'm testing with, the blue side being positive and the white side being negative. So here it is right here. So I'm gonna try and keep this in the picture here. So right here, I'm touching the black, and now I'm touching the green. So as you can see, the speaker is moving out. So this channel is wired correctly. And then now let's do the other side here, with orange being negative. And I'm still in the picture here. Yes, I am. Okay, perfect. And here, let me move this green wire out of the way so it doesn't manipulate things. So right there. So it seems like mine is wired correctly. I'm not disputing that it's sounding better when you do switch the phase, but I'm not too sure if it's something to do with the speaker in itself. And again, I'm just making this video so you guys can see. I just make these harnesses based off of, you know, what users want, and you know, what the positive and negatives are depending on the car. Yeah, so that's about it. So let me know your guys' thoughts, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a message in the comment section, or leave a message on the post. Thanks, guys.